Are you ready to explore the mysteries of the universe beyond what we can see? Join us on a journey to discover the 5 most mind-bending theories about what lies outside the observable universe. From the mind-boggling multiverse theory to the mind-bending simulated universe theory, this video will take you on a mind-expanding adventure that will challenge everything you thought you knew about the universe. So grab a seat, strap in, and get ready to explore the unknown depths of the cosmos. Don't miss out on this captivating exploration. Watch now and unlock the secrets of the universe beyond. Physicists have long studied the nature of the universe, but some go a step further into the unknown and probably unknowable, contemplating what lies outside the boundaries of our universe. Is it possible that something else exists beyond existence? Yes. Here are 5 theories about what that something might be. What is the universe? To answer the question of what's outside the universe, we first need to define exactly what we mean by universe. If you take it to mean literally all the things that could possibly exist in all of space and time, then there can't be anything outside the universe. Even if you imagine the universe to have some finite size and you imagine something outside that volume, then whatever is outside also has to be included in the universe. Even if the universe is a formless, shapeless, nameless void of absolutely nothing, that's still a thing and is counted on the list of all the things, and hence is, by definition, a part of the universe. If the universe is infinite in size, you don't really need to worry about this conundrum. The universe, being all there is infinitely big and has no edge, so there's no outside to even talk about. Oh, sure, there's an outside to our observable patch of the universe. The cosmos is only so old, and light only travels so fast. So in the history of the universe, we haven't received light from every single galaxy. The current width of the observable universe is about 90 billion light-years, and presumably, beyond that boundary, there's a bunch of other random stars and galaxies. The outside the universe question gets tricky right off the bat because first, you have to define the universe. One common answer is called the observable universe, and it's defined by the speed of light. Since we can only see things when the light they emit or reflect reaches us, we can never see farther than the farthest distance light can travel in the time the universe has existed. That means the observable universe keeps getting bigger, but it is finite. The amount is sometimes referred to as the Hubble volume, after the telescope that has given us our most distant views of the universe. We'll never be able to see beyond that boundary, so for all intents and purposes, it's the only universe we'll ever interact with. The 5 weird theories. Beyond the Hubble volume. We know with some certainty that there's more universe out there beyond that boundary, though. Astronomers think space might be infinite, with stuff, energy, galaxies, etc., distributed pretty much the same as it is in the observable universe. If it is, that has some seriously weird implications for what lies out there. Beyond the Hubble volume, you won't just find more different planets. You will eventually find every possible thing. Now let it sink in. Everything. If you go far enough, you'll find another solar system with an Earth identical in every way except that you had cereal for breakfast this morning instead of eggs. And another where you skipped breakfast, and one where you got up early and robbed a bank. Cosmologists think that if you go far enough, you will find another Hubble volume that is perfectly identical to ours. There's another version of you out there mirroring your every action 10 to the 10 carat 188 meters away. That may seem unlikely, but then infinity. The dark flow theory proposes that there is a massive gravitational force beyond the observable universe that is pulling galaxy clusters towards it. This force is thought to be a remnant of a collision between our universe and another in the distant past. The theory was first proposed in 2008 after astronomers observed that galaxy clusters were moving in a particular direction, seemingly towards a region of space that was outside of the observable universe. This observation suggested that there was a gravitational force pulling these clusters towards it, even though it was not visible through any known means of detection. While the dark flow theory has been met with some skepticism, recent studies have provided further evidence for this mysterious force beyond the observable universe. If confirmed, this theory could have significant implications for our understanding of the universe's origins and evolution, as well as the nature of dark matter and dark energy. Infinite bubbles. Talking about things outside the Hubble volume might be a bit of a cheat since it's still really the same universe, just a part of it we can't see. It would have all the same physical laws and constants. In another version of the story, the post-Big Bang expansion of the universe caused bubbles to form in the structure of space. Each bubble is an area that stopped stretching along with the rest of space and formed its universe with its laws. In this scenario, space is infinite, and each bubble is also infinite, because you can store an infinite number of infinities inside a single infinity. Even if you could somehow breach the boundary of our bubble, the space in between the bubbles is still expanding, so you'd never get to the next bubble no matter how fast you went. Black hole spawning. The black hole spawning theory, also known as the primordial black hole theory, suggests that during the early moments of the universe's existence, extremely dense regions of matter could have collapsed into black holes. These black holes would have been much smaller than the ones we observe today, with masses ranging from just a few times that of the Earth to several times that of the Sun. As the universe continued to expand and cool, these primordial black holes would have gradually evaporated through a process called Hawking radiation, releasing energy in the form of particles back into the universe. This theory could potentially explain the presence of dark matter, which is a mysterious substance that scientists believe makes up a large portion of the universe's mass, but has yet to be directly observed. If black holes were created in the early universe, they would have interacted with normal matter, altering its distribution, and potentially explaining the observed effects of dark matter. This theory has since been discounted by Smolin himself and others. Many parallel universes. There are tons of theories about parallel universes, but the most accepted one these days involves an evolution of the ideas of string theory to involve membranes that vibrate in other dimensions. It's beyond the scope of this article to get too detailed about string or membrane theory, but the upshot of the whole thing is that these rippling membranes in the 11th dimension are whole other universes, and when the ripples slam into each other, they form a new universe. The effects of the rippling motion help explain the observed distribution of matter in our universe. One of the weirdest elements of the theory is the idea that all the gravity we experience in our universe is leaking into it from another universe in another dimension, which explains why gravity here seems so weak compared to the other fundamental forces. In conclusion, the exploration of the universe beyond the observable has opened up a world of fascinating and mind-boggling possibilities. From the multiverse to the dark flow theory, these 5 theories offer a glimpse into what may lie beyond our current understanding of the cosmos. As we continue to develop new technologies and methods of observation, we may be able to uncover more about the mysteries that lie beyond the edge of our universe. So why not keep your eyes on the stars and join the journey of exploration? Who knows what amazing discoveries we might make next? If you want to stay updated with the latest discoveries in space and astrophysics, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss